pollen season's over, we go right to Lucifer's front porch. It stays that way to winter. Well, before winter, you got bow season. Bow season comes, that's when you know that winter's coming. Then you got winter / deer season. Then after deer season, it's the worst time of the year. It's still freaking cold, but you can't hunt. Then we get a couple weeks of pretty weather and go right back into pollen season. If I love it, I wouldn't live nowhere else. I hope y'all having a good day. Got me a loaded chicken going to Maryland, doing my normal Wednesday thing. Last trip in this old truck. I got a new truck I gotta move into this weekend. Still a Volvo, but it's got a condo and everything on it. It's a little bit nicer truck. Got more room in it. I think this is a 670 and it's a 760 or 780. That's part of trucking. You never realize how much stuff you can stuff in these trucks until you have to change trucks. Then you say you got a whole lot of head scratching and a whole lot of what was I thinking? Why is this in here? So when I change trucks, that's when I trim everything way back. A lot of it goes back to the house. It's nice when I have warning that the truck change is coming, and a couple weeks before I can be getting some of this stuff out of this truck, so it's not such a big ordeal. Then clean this one up for the next guy, and even though I knew it, that's my company's kind of rule, is when you change trucks, you have to clean out. When they say clean out your truck, they mean clean it out. They scrub floors, scrub it up, make it ready for the next guy to drive. Which is fair. I ain't got no problem with that. I ain't no Betty Crocker, but my truck ain't awful, so. I don't see how these guys do it to keep these trucks like a hospital operating room. I don't see how these guys do it, keep their truck like a hospital operating room. Got hardwood floors. Take their shoes off when they get in and out of their truck. I guess I'm just too lazy for all that shit. I can clean up after myself. Keeping your truck basically clean isn't that hard if you just do a little bit of, you're sitting there at the shipper on the door 2 hours, ain't got nothing to do. I carry a little detail brush around, and of course keep cleaner and towels and stuff in here. Then when I'm stuck somewhere, I can do the dash. You ain't gotta clean the whole truck. Maybe do the dash. Got some rubber floor in it. My last truck had rubber in the front and carpet in the back. Boy, I hated that. I hate carpet in the truck. This one's rubber all the way through. You can scrub it, or spray it down with some cleaner, and got a drill with a little roto brush on it, and just kind of give it a good scrub. And wet rag, wipe it down, let it dry, and it's like brand new. Which I'm not like a lot of people. A lot of these folks, they'll carry half their household around in their truck. Since I'm only gone for a max of like 3 days at a time, and I'm back home, I don't have a TV in my truck. I got a refrigerator and a microwave. Change of clothes, change of sheets. CB, my GPS, my phone holder, and basically I can change trucks. Check in with y'all, and y'all get some subjects you'd like me to talk about, something you might want to know about. Holler at me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. I'll either tell you what I know, or I'll tell you my opinion. I'll tell you which one it is.